It's Chris again over here at AceVacuums in Leesburg, Virginia. I just want to talk to you guys today. It's super nice out, by the way, here in Virginia, Northern Virginia. So I hope you guys are having great weather where you guys are at. Just want to let you guys know we're nearing mid-February. Here in about 2 months, we're going to be going into springtime. You guys know what that brings: pollen, seasonal allergies, all that type of stuff. I know I have bad allergies. My sons, all have bad allergies, seasonal allergies, things like that. So it gets the best of everybody: stuffy noses, runny noses, all that type of stuff, congestion. We're here to tell you we have maybe a solution to help you guys and your family. If you guys have never thought about having an air purifier in your home, now might be the time. They do a lot of different things, from not just purifying the air from dust, dirt, and allergens. They also help. Some of them will have blue light or the lights in them to help kill mold spores, bacteria, germs. They all have the HEPA filters, so it filters out 0.03 down to like 0.02 microns of dust, dirt, and allergens. They all have, a lot of them have like charcoal filters to help with the odors, pet odors, gases, if you're a smoker in the home, all that type of stuff. So they do a wide range, a variety of things. They have ones with the bedrooms to the whole house to commercial ones. So if you guys have any questions, you can give us a call here at 703-997-9292. We can help you out with any questions you have and why an air purifier would be good for your home. So if you're somebody that has asthma, emphysema, respiratory issues, allergy issues, pets, you're in an older house and you have that old home smell, if you're a smoker in your home, if you just want to have a better quality overall home that's free of dirt and allergens and pollutants, this is an option for you guys that might help. So give us a call. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, as well as YouTube, or stop by our store. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Have a great week. Again, come see us here at AceVacuums. Thank you, guys.